Avenida da Harmonia, Walking Macau Streets, Rua da Harmonia, Walking streets of Macau, streets in Coloane, Avenida da Harmonia.
Can you hear all those birds? So we're in this Rua da Harmonia. It's part of Coloane, and it's kind of interesting. They're doing a lot of different things around here, so I think later this will have something, have a different feeling than it does today. We're gonna put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. You can see some hiking trails up there. That's some of the mountains of Coloane, or the large hills, or whatever you want to call them. Let's walk around and show you this little slice of Macau here, up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay. So I'm gonna walk over here first. And then you can see they're doing all this construction, so we'll see how that turns out later. I think they're probably going to build some more apartments, I guess, up in these hills a little bit. And if you look, maybe in the camera lens you couldn't see very well, but there's like some like looks like somewhere where it's a little bit of a trail kind of thing. This is Harmonia, and we're not too far from we're kind of in Coloane area, and what that means is we're not too far from the casinos. There's Coloane used to be an island, and then they built the Cotai Strip that went between the two. So the Cotai Strip was Coloane Island and Taipa Island, and they filled them all in with landfills. I'm gonna come up here. We're also gonna see, so that little thing was Rua. Now we're on Avenida. So it looks like we're kind of coming across a couple different types of things here with different names. And this is much different than it was last time I was here. Let me see what's in here. It's like they're draining, and maybe they're gonna do some kind of water reservoir or something like that. Looks kind of dirty right now in 2026. Maybe they'll clean all that out, make it into something else. That's like they call it Ipeng, I believe. That is a lot like all those buildings there have tiny little windows. That's all like kind of social housing in that area, and then they kind of gradually get more expensive towards the water. So next one will be Praya Park, and then One Oasis. One Oasis is really nice, big huge windows, tons of space, parking garages, all kinds of stuff. This building, I don't know about this one. It's new, so I just not really sure. And actually even this little walkway is quite new, and so is that building. That building was built I don't know, maybe 3-4 years ago, at the end of COVID, which was the end was 2023. So that building right there is relatively new. Over there is the Cotai Strip, so you can see some casinos. I can see Galaxy Casino, Studio City Casino, Parisian Casino, and these ones behind this little mountain or hilltop is the island's hospital. That's it, paying the social housing right there. Social housing has a completely different meaning than it does in other places here. If I associate the United States, I'll kind of think of social problems and all kinds of different issues will come to my mind, but it's not like that at all here. These neighborhoods are fine, absolutely no issues at all. And we'll just keep on walking. We're kind of walking towards these Coloane hills, and it looks like as this place will develop, there's storefront space to keep on making things bigger and bigger. And we're kind of looking for another Harmonia sign. We saw Avenida and Rua. I'm not exactly sure what this one is. I saw something that implies it could be called Rua de Jasmine because there's something called Loa Park with a Jasmine address. But I haven't seen any street sign whatsoever to confirm that. So I'm just gonna look for a street sign up here. I don't think I'm gonna see one. But anyways, we're basically in this Coloane area. It's called Rua da Harmonia and Avenida de Harmonia, which is actually a pretty common name here in Macau. There's tons of Harmonias all over the city. I guess it means harmony between Portuguese and Europe and China and Asia and stuff like that. Okay, so I don't see any more street signs to verify, but I think what I'll do is I'll just walk down a little bit. But that was our target street. I'm just gonna meander a little bit because it's kind of a nice evening. Then we can see what all these tall buildings are like in this area. Down here, I don't know what's in here, but it looks like there's a fence with things growing over top of it, and then something that says please not allowed to occupy it. That yellow sign right there. Anyways, that's Avenida de Harmonia, and this is kind of this little Coloane. So down that way, one oasis is way down in the background, which is a really nice apartment area. And we're going to come to an ending for our video, so we kind of meandered a little bit off of the path. Maybe we'll wander just a little bit more just to give you full context. But yeah, anyways, they're developing a lot up in that area, and then it's kind of connects to this other neighborhood called Ipeng. I think it's called Ipeng, which has kind of small little apartments and small little windows, like a social housing area. Okay. Ipeng, sorry. It's called Ipeng. But they do have lots of, it's like nice and breezy here. And that's the street that it's called, Rua da Ipeng. I haven't filmed her in a while. Some restaurants in here. This one right there called Amazing. And anyways, we're gonna just end the video right there. The other sides of Macau for you. I'm gonna continue at this Avenida de Harmonia right there. That's probably a park, you can see it right there. These are all that social housing, that Ipeng. And then now we're back. We walked along that spot right there, and I just wanted to add a little bit more because someday this will all be different, so we'll see how that looks in the future. And then we're gonna walk back. Let me see. So that's the other side. So it looks like they have all these rocks right here, and I don't know if they're draining things out or how they're doing that exactly, but it looks like they're definitely creating something, because that one has stuff for the future, and then that's this other one as well. Okay, and this is the other side. So they're definitely doing something in here, because otherwise wouldn't have all this. So I don't know, maybe they're reclaiming the water and then they're going to build something there and then complete it connecting with that one, and I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so there's Rua da Harmonia sign again, and this is where I started at, but I think I'm gonna walk all the way down because I want to document what it looks like. I saw another street sign way down at the end, so let me go down there, and then we can kind of complete the street here and what it looks like in 2026, so we have it in posterity for the future. Yeah, okay, so this is kind of I see something up ahead, so we're gonna take a look. You can also see these apartments and what they look like as well. Sun is just going down a little bit. I'm gonna try to capture this street sign. I think there's a couple signs here, so we're gonna see what they both are. So we have a coffee shop right here. Then this one is definitely Harmonia, the coffee shop. Then it looks like this is a different one. We're gonna come over here, take a look as well. And this one's called Borboleta. Borboleta. And it looks like it's a Yoho CC Thai. So that's what that one's. Oh, looks like they're moving all their cars. Must be the police is coming or something like that. Oh yeah, they're guys totally illegally parked, blocking the street and everything like that. Maybe, I don't know, maybe he's worried about the camera. So anyways, it's Borboleta. And then those are those little mountain things up that way. Now you can kind of get an idea of this whole area. Huh, that guy's really, everybody's kind of panicky all of a sudden. I don't know why. Okay, anyways, that's kind of strange. Sometimes I'll see that if people are parked illegally and then they see the police. I don't know if he's responding to the camera or he was just had some other thing going on. I just have no idea. Okay, on that note, we'll end the video. So that was Harmonia in this Coloane area. Kind of documenting the city. And I think it might have been, I think we might have went by the street called Jasmine as well. I'm not 100% sure, but it's on the map. And so I might label that accordingly as well. But we definitely have Avenida da Harmonia and Rua da Harmonia. Avenue and street. And that is the official ending of the video. Here we are in Harmonia, Avenida da Harmonia, and Rua da Harmonia. Avenida being this street, and then Rua being that little side street. So we'll see what it looks like in the future. This is what it looks like in 2026 anyways. Could be very, very different in the future.